Welcome to Best Ideas. Myself, I am Ratnabhushan. Honorable Prime Minister Ji, good afternoon. This is the program for you and people for our nation. It will cover your daily efforts for the betterment of the nation and suggestion for you so that we can make this country more glorious in the world. Today's most important fact related to Prime Minister are, before starting, I want to say the preamble of our constitution, which is very essential for whole people and whole nation. So the preamble of our constitution is, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. So this is our preamble. I hope so everybody has to know this thing. So the most important fact of today's are, Prime Minister draws parallel with Lord Krishna. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday said while Lord Krishna was born in UP and made Gujarat his Karma Bhumi. He was born in Gujarat and was adopted by Uttar Pradesh as its son. Though I am an adopted son of Uttar Pradesh, I am not the one who will desert his parents, he said. Modi's Lord Krishna analogy comes amid controversy over 2014 election slogan Har Har Modi, Ghar Ghar Modi in Varanasi. It had led to a heated debate with the opposition slamming BJP and Modi for equating him with Lord Shiva. As BJP Prime Ministerial candidate for 2014, Mr. Modi had tweeted, some enthusiastic supporters are using slogan Har Har Modi and Ghar Ghar Modi. I respect to their enthusiasm but request not to use this slogan in the future. But at a huge rally in Hardoi on Thursday, UP, Modi said, भगवान कृष्ण उत्तर प्रदेश की धरती पर पैदा हुए और गुजरात में आकर कर्मभूमि बनाए. मैं गुजरात में पैदा हुआ और उत्तर प्रदेश ने मुझे गोद लिया. So these are the some important, that is definitely it's a political slogan which is going in Uttar Pradesh. But this is the speech of our Honorable Prime Minister, that's why I said to you. The suggestions of today, for many days I am telling you, this is the suggestions. What I'll tell you for many days, this suggestion, that हर 2 किलोमीटर पे एक डस्टबिन और वॉशरूम होना चाहिए एंड इट मस्ट बी पेड. मुझे लगता है कि लोग इसका विनम्र पूर्वक स्वागत करेंगे, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक वॉशरूम जो हैं वो बहुत ही अनहाइजेनिक और एब्सोल्युटली अनहाइजेनिक और गंदे भी हैं. वॉशरूम ऐसे होने चाहिए जैसे एयरपोर्ट पे होते हैं. वॉशरूम ऐसे होने चाहिए जो 5 स्टार होटल में होने चाहिए, साफ़ सुथरे, रोड के किनारे ही हो लेकिन बहुत ही साफ़ सुथरे. हाँ, इट मस्ट बी पेड. यानी अगर उसको हम लोग प्राइवेटाइज भी कर दें तो उसमें भी बुरा बात नहीं है. बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां ले लेंगी, उस पर एडवर्टाइज करेंगी, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि इससे एक फ़ायदा होगा, लोगों को रोजगार मिलेगा, गवर्नमेंट को भी रेवेन्यू जनरेट होगा और हमारा देश स्वच्छ भारत की तरफ और अग्रसित होगा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. वी आर प्राउड ऑन यू. योर डेडिकेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क is the example for our nation. We can make this country more clean, more beautiful and more glorious. Jai Hind.